Hi Garage Master users, so I'm going to talk about the new bank reconciliation banking bit that we've been working on. So we've released a kind of alpha version for people to have a look at, which you can actually use. It all works, but we're going to be adding bits to it as we go along. So if you go into banking on the setup menu, so you set up banking, and you'll see when you go into it, you'll create a bank account called main account, and you'll need to edit that obviously and put in your sort code account number. You don't have to do that, it's just a record, so you can put that in. You can rename it NatWest or whatever you like. Now when you open it, you'll see it's automatically got all your invoices and expenses sorted by month, and you'll need to start off by adding your if you want to use it, you can add entries to it. So start off by going down to here and clicking add, and then you can put in the date of transaction. So what you want to do is probably add your opening balance. So February 2016, let's say something like that, and let's say you had 15,000 in the bank, we can only dream, and just call it opening balance. Okay, and then it'll insert it in the right place down the bottom. You see that it says opening balance. In fact, I've got one here that I ignore that was something we were messing around with. So it says opening balance, you see it's white, and then all my expenses show in yellow, supplier invoices are in red, and then customer invoices in green. This all looks a bit crazy because it's the demo version, so it's full of complete crazy data. And then if you want to mark a payment as on the bank statement, you can just click tick like that. Sorry, I missed the thing. So you go to here, you just tick it like that, and you see it switches to yes. So you can easily, and if you say, oh no, that one's not on there, I can click it to no. So you can just click it to yes really easily, and just mark things as marked on the bank statement. That's basically how it's going to work. If you've got any ideas, please email them to sales@garagemasteronline.com for that section, or any ideas for the whole system really. So that's the new bank reconciliation system we're doing. We do have set up the facility to talk to banks directly and to download your statements. That's in process, but obviously that's quite a big job. And we're working on some new timesheet systems here to be able to actually allocate staff to jobs. In fact, if you go into the customer, you'll see that already. If you go into a diary entry, that's a vehicle entry, into a diary entry, you can actually already add a staff member to do it, and 10 hours say, and save and return. You can already add that in, but it doesn't really do anything at the moment, but it will do stuff very shortly. There's going to be things like you'll be able to, if you've got, like, say 5 staff members, you can work out how much time you've got for those 5 staff members on a particular day. You'll be able to allocate them to jobs and all kinds of clever other things, and that's all coming very soon. So I hope that's really exciting. We're also doing something where you can actually email an invoice directly from the system. You can get an email link and email it yourself, but we've now got, because we've just done the old send MOT reminders thing just here, some of the technology with that is going to be able to email or text an invoice directly from the system. So that's all coming. Watch this space, garagemasteronline.com.